Good morning, all. Our next chapter that is related to science, that is India in Defense Technology. The Defense Research and Development Organization, means DRDO, is an agency of the Republic of India charged with the military's research and development, headquartered in New Delhi, India. Okay, let's start. The first one is we can call Tejas. First indigenously built light combat aircraft was handed over to the Indian Air Force by Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar. It is powered by a single engine. It is mounted with inbuilt multi-mode radar warning receiver systems as a part of LCA, means Light Combat Aircraft program. 20 aircraft will be built by 2017-18 to make the first squadron of the aircraft. And the next one is BrahMos. It is expected to have a range of 450 kilometers and a speed of Mach 7. During the cruise stage of flight, the missile will be propelled by a scramjet air-breathing jet engine. It is expected to be ready for testing by 2020. BrahMos Mark II is a hypersonic cruise missile currently under joint development by India's Defense Research and Development Organization and Russia's NPO, which have together formed BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited. The next is Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is a twin-jet multi-role air superiority fighter developed by Russia's Sukhoi and built under license by India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force. A variant of the Sukhoi Su-30 is a heavy, all-weather, long-range fighter. Next is Rustam 2. It is India's medium altitude long endurance drone being developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. Is targeted to achieve a huge milestone in April when it will take off from its test range in Karnataka's Chitradurga to fly for more than 18 hours at a height of over 27,000 feet. The last one is Sapicat Jaguar. It is India's only tactical nuclear carrying and ground attack aircraft. There are 4 forces that uses it in their air force, like a Royal Air Force, that is in UK, French Air Force in France, Royal Air Force in Oman, and the last one is Indian Air Force. The Sapicat Jaguar is an Anglo-French jet attack aircraft originally used by the British Royal Air Force and the French Air Force in the close air support and nuclear strike role. It is still in service with the Indian Air Force. So, you hope you understand this video. Watch the video carefully and complete your today's task in textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.